and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. I run a diamond painting and accessories company and I'm happy to bring you details of the items that are launching for June this month. So our launch is on Friday, the 5th of June at 4 p.m. BST. British summertime, and we have quite a few different goodies to bring to you. So I'm going to go through each of them. I will, as always, let you know what sort of stock levels are like, so that if you are on a budget, then you can decide what is worth grabbing potentially first or what's worth saving till later. But yeah, we have a few different items. So we'll start with what I'd call the June items. And then we'll go through what are some of the extras. But for June, we have 2 diamond paintings launching. Well, no, we have more than 2, but initially we have 2. The first one is a round, and I have completed both of these. So the first one is mushrooms. This is a round diamond painting. It is 15.2 by 15.5 centimetres. You will get it in a packet with the diamonds and of course the stickers. But this is the completed one. So this is launching on Friday. We do also have a gift box to complement this. So this will come packaged as a gift box, but this is just to show you sort of what's inside. There is a more detailed image on the website, or an image with everything laid out and not collecting together. But yeah, we also have a gift box available for this set. Whether that be for yourself or whether it be to introduce somebody to diamond painting is up to you. Diamond painting number 2 is called Broadway. So this is diamond painting number 2. Again, this one is a completed one. So this one is a square. It is 16 centimetres by 15.5 centimetres. They do both come with diamond industrials this month. That is all detailed on the website, and we have the option of a gift box for this one too. So they're the 2 sort of standard diamond painting releases. However, this month we do also have a second mystery set of diamond paintings. So if you want to get a bit of a bargain, because these are discounted from their individual price, we do have a mystery pack which has 3 square diamond paintings in it. So the sizes and whether they contain diamond dust, ABs, etc. is all detailed on the website. But what the actual paintings are, you guys don't know. These will be releasing as individual paintings in our big launch in October. So if you do prefer to wait and see, very same as what happened with the last lot, any that we have left will go for sale singly in October. But we have the offer for you to get the pack of 3 this month for a discounted price than buying them all individually. So that is sort of the other diamond painting that is releasing. We, as always, have cover paper to go with. So this is the set of cover paper for March. These have all been cut into the 16 pieces, but you can have the option of 2 bigger pieces, very close to A4 size, 20 by 30. We also have them cut into 8 pieces, which are 10 by 15, or 16 pieces, which is 10 by 7.5. So we have mushrooms. I think I called this one Galaxy. This is when I can't remember. We have some frogs on mushrooms. We have a cityscape, and we have black and white buildings. So that is the cover paper. Now this is limited in time, not quantity. So sorry to forget the diamond paintings. So far we have had plenty every single month. While we do have a certain quantity of those, with diamond paintings we seem to have got that bob on. And yeah, there is always plenty of those available, and it actually takes a few months for them to run out completely, which is kind of a nice amount of time, gives chance for everybody to get one. With the cover paper, it is limited on time. So this will be taken off the website shortly after July launch. Normally once I've got all of July launch orders out, that's when I tidy up the website and take these down, just to give people a chance. So for example, May's cover paper will come down a few days after this month's launch, just in case people want to add maybe a little bit extra, or maybe one they missed last month or their budget allowed last month, just to give them the chance to combine it with their launch order and get everything in one. We like to give people that extra little chance before it comes off. So they are the cover paper. We do have 2 matching washi tapes to go with these. Now we have still got the same number as we had last month. However, last month they did sell out within the first week. Whether that will happen this month, I guess it depends on the designs. So it's borderline whether we've got the right amount on these. So these are a little bit more limited. But the first one we have a washi tape for is this Galaxy one. Absolutely gorgeous, black and white. So as you can see, the design is smaller. So that's the first limited washi tape. And then the next one is the Cityscape. So we have that in a washi tape to give you a bit of a darker one. So they're the 2, and you can see all of these on the website, but these 2 washi tapes are limited in number, and they are our cover papers for June. Then we have a tray set for June, and this month we have sort of taken a bit of a play on this one, and we have gone for black and green with this. Very Minecraft as well, if you're into that. But we have the option of course, the Add More Zest tray, the Zesty tray. We have a touch of Zest tray in each colour, or of course you can get the bundle, which is in this case all 4. Now with these, we're able to do these very similar to the last stripe tray we did. I'm not going to put a number on these for launch. So on launch day, there will be plenty. You will be able to order. I will keep printing for all the orders that have come in. I've got a decent amount to start off with, but of course I will keep printing until all the orders for these have been fulfilled. Then I will print a few more and update the website with that number. So they'll sort of be unlimited for the first week or so, and then the numbers will show on the website. Anytime anything gets under 5, the website does show you. So that is the tray launch for June. So that is sort of our June collection. But then we do have a few other items launching as well. We have 3 washi tapes that are stock cover paper prints, or to match stock cover paper prints. So that's the 3. But we have watercolour pour, which is a very popular cover paper. We have the washi tape to match that now. We have turquoise flowers, again, to match that. To match the cover paper for turquoise flowers. And we have peach and blue flowers as well. So this is to match the cover paper. So they are 3 new stock washi tapes. So if these all go, I will restock them. They just may take a little bit because they go on my next order. But yeah, they're the 3 stock washi tape. So we have those. We also have a trays set, or versions of trays, back by popular demand. So this was a limited edition a few months ago. It is the black and red. So if you can see, it's more red on that side, more black on that side. Little bit of both in the middle, depending on how it catches the light. Same with the Add More Zest. It's like the stripes are a bit more prominent compared to the black and red going the other way. But then it's more black there on that side and more red on that side. So hopefully that will sort of show you the 2 different shades. So we have a few more of those. We've done another small run of these because we do listen to our customers. So if there are requests, yeah, we just, as soon as I can get a printer free to print some, I do. So black and red is back. These are limited. It is just a small run. But if you did miss out last time, you have an opportunity to get those. We also have 2 3D printed pens this month. Now, going on stock last month, one of the colours sold out completely, and we will be restocking when we get our next order in. The second colour, the pink one, we do still have some left. So I think it depends on colour as to whether they go quickly. One of these colours I reckon will go quicker than another. I'll let you determine if you think which one it would be. But we have a purple and we have a gorgeous pale blue. They come with a metal pen tip as standard, and then you can choose whether you want plastic pen tips as well to maybe pop in the other end or in a different pen. But we have more 3D printed pens in blue and purple. Limited in number. I do think one colour may go quicker than another, but you never know. It could be a different way. So yes, there's those. And then we are getting near the end, but it is the time to release a couple more sets of cover paper. So the first set we have is the 4th of July. So we're releasing this so people have a chance to get it for the 4th of July. But we have 4 cover paper in this collection. We have this one. I named these about 2 months ago, so I can't remember what I named them, but it is all on the website. Then we have these heart flags. We have stars. It's beautiful, that one. And we have balloons. Or, of course, you can get it as a full set. These are limited, again, in time. So these will actually come down probably, again, shortly after next month's launch, after the 4th of July. These will come off the website. And for these, we do have 1 limited edition washi tape to go with. And we have chosen the stars design for this one. We partly go from what we think would be potentially popular. We also go according to the design and whether we can do it in a washi tape, because of course it's a lot thinner than this. But yeah, we have red and blue stars as a limited edition washi tape. And then last, but by no means least, I bring you our summer collection. You may be able to see we've actually just finished off a heat wave here in the UK. I think today, as I'm filming this, is our last warm day. And it's actually a day where I feel like I can get stuff done. It's not actually a heat wave day, it's just a warm day. So yeah, it is time to launch our summer collection. The spring collection that is currently on the website will be up for a little bit longer, probably another month or so. And then that one will be removed. So again, probably after next month's launch. Summer will be about until we hit autumn. But we have 6 different designs in our summer collection. We have Waves, which is sort of a beautiful ocean one. I can't remember, hibiscus, I think they are, hibiscus flowers design. We have Sunshine, which is a very pretty and bright one. I can't remember what I called this one. Again, it's on the website. If you want to know the name, it's on the website, but that's a nice beachy type one. We then have some palm trees, sort of a gradient in those, depending on which piece of cover paper you're using. And we have some lollies, or lolly ices, depending on what you call them, popsicles maybe. And for this one, we have a limited edition washi tape as well to go with. So this is our summer limited edition washi tape. With the limited edition washi tapes, once they're gone, they're gone. As I say, we've done pretty well on numbers in relation to those. We normally have them about for just a little bit longer. However, last month they did all go, so they may be gaining popularity. But I think we're doing really quite well on stock for pretty much everything. Again, the summer cover paper is limited on time. You've got a good few months for that. Seasons are always out for longer. And yeah, do check in our website, which is linked down below, addmorezest.com. And these are all under new in. And you'll see they say coming soon and sold out. That is because the numbers will get put in and they will go live on the 5th of June, this Friday. So Friday the 5th of June at 4 p.m. BST, which is British summertime. Do let me know in the comments down below if you do have any questions, and I will do my best to answer them. Do let me know what's your favourite, if you've got your eye on anything in particular. And I hope you like the little sneak peek at the rearrange we had in here last weekend. A full vlog on that will be coming in July. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.